Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how to correctly connect both hoses during the startup without using any special tools. There is a table that provides torques for swivel connections. However, it is difficult to have dynamometric key on site. That is why a special method for union of threaded fittings was designed. It corresponds to as many flats from wrench resistance would be enough to be done to provide proper torque. Let's consider polyol fittings. The method says that it is enough 1.5 turns to provide the required torque. So first of all, we have to twist the fittings by hand until you cannot turn them more manually. Next, let's mark the edges that are in front of each other with a blue highlighter. Take the spanners and tighten the fittings for one complete shear of a flat. You can see that the marked edges now are at one flat distance. Now let's give it a half of a shear of a flat to comply with necessary torque. Now you can see we have tightened the polyol fittings according to the standard without using special tools. Let's consider ISO fittings. According to the method, it is required to do 2 full shears of a flat to provide necessary torque for half-inch thread. We can repeat the same procedure. Twist the fittings by hand until you feel the resistance of the thread. Then, let's mark the edges that are in front of each other with a red highlighter. Take the spanners and tighten the fittings for one complete flat turn. You can see that the marked edges now are at one flat distance. Now let's give it one more shear of a flat to comply with necessary 2 flats. Now you can see we have tightened the ISO fittings according to the standard without using special tools. Remember, when mounting swivel unions, never use Teflon tape or any other kind of sealer. Following these simple rules will help you avoid failures of fittings during hose assembly. I hope you have enjoyed our new technical tips. If you would like to see more, follow us in our social media.